Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I'm going to explain recursion in Python. Okay, I'm going to explain recursion in Python. So basically, what is this recursion? Okay, so recursion is nothing but we are calling a function within the same function is known as recursion. Okay, calling a function within the same function is known as recursion. Okay, others like we can say that in a simple words, calling function itself is known as recursion. Calling calling function itself is known as recursion. Okay, here in recursion there are two cases we must follow while writing code. Okay, so we must follow two cases while using recursion. Okay, and the first one is base case. Okay, and the second one is recursive case. Okay, these are functions we must use while writing recursion. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the structure of this recursion so you guys will know better about this recursion. Okay, and about the base case and the recursive case. Okay, just how will define def is a keyword and recursive function followed by parameters are optional, right? And colon. Now what I will write, if here we have to write the base case. Okay, here we have to write the base case and the colon, and we have to return the base case. Okay, so then else, here we have to write recursive case. Okay, here we have to write the recursive case. Okay, these we must follow while writing recursion, and this just we're defining the recursion to call the function. So you guys know that how can we call the function by using function name. Okay, yeah, this is the structure of this recursion. Now I will show how this recursion basically works with an example. Okay, so recursion is nothing but, as I said, calling a function within the same function is recursion. How can we call the function within the same function? So now I'm going to show that. Okay, now just I will write a function colon, just the body I'll just print uh, Krishna, Lord Krishna. Just I will print this, and again I will call the function. Okay, again I will call the function. After calling, again in the down, the entire function I need to call once again. So function, this is what the simple recursion looks like. Okay, basically what happening here is, first just we define this function and we are called here. So after calling, it goes here, it checks any parameters available or not. There is no parameters, it goes to the body, and here it checks. So we are here, like we wrote print Krishna. Okay, so it prints in the output, like we'll be getting Krishna, and again we called the same function. So again it goes here, again it prints Krishna, again it calls, again it goes the definition, again it prints. Okay, it's keeps on repeating the function. Okay, it's prints infinite times. Okay, this Krishna will going to print infinite times. Okay, this is nothing but a recursion. Calling a function within the same function is known as recursion, right? So we are calling the function within the same function is known as recursion. This is what the exact definition is. Okay, I hope you guys understood. So now I can't execute because there will be some error like comes in a system, like the kernel problem. So now it's very tough to execute. Okay, so if you want, you guys can execute in your laptop. Okay, now I'll give simple example of this recursion using this base case and recursive case. Okay, let me see a simple example. So def, let's just factorial, we'll take parameters n. Now if I will take n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1. Okay, now if that's true, I need to return 1. Okay, I need to return 1. Else I need to return n factorial of n minus 1. Print fact of, I'll provide 5, like the value as 5. This 5 will store in this n. Okay, if this n is equal to 0, or if it's n is equal to 1, it returns 0, like sorry, it returns 1. Okay, and this is base case. Okay, this is base case, and if this is not satisfied, it goes for else. Else it returns n is 5 into factorial n minus 1 is 4. Okay, this is nothing but it's a recursive, it's a recursive case. So basically, in the own words, if I want to say that what is base case and what is this recursive case is, base case is nothing but it is used to come out from the recursion. Okay, that is nothing but a base case. So recursive case is nothing but it keeps on recursing, like it keeps on recurs to the function. Okay, that is nothing but recursive case. Okay, now I will explain this in detail. So basically, I took 5 here, right? So it's not equal here, so it's not satisfies. It goes for else. In the else, we'll be taking 5. Okay, so 5 into, for factorial I'll be writing f. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay, we'll be getting 4. Again it calls, now it's 4. 4 is not equal to 0, or it's not equal to 1. Again else, again it comes here. Now what it will do, sorry, so again now it's 4. Okay, now it's 4, then f of 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so we got 3 here. So again it's calls, again it will calls, again it goes, it checks, and it's not satisfies. Again it comes to else. Okay, again it comes to else, and now it's 3 into, so now 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, now again it calls, it's not satisfies. Again it comes to else, sorry, it's 3 here. So now it's 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, yeah, so f of 1. So now you guys can see it's 1 here. Okay, now it is 1, f is 1. Again it calls, it goes there, and it checks. if n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1. Yes, here n is equal to 1. Okay, then it returns 1. If it's equal to 1, it returns 1. Okay, now what will it executes here is it's equal to 1, right? So in the place of f of 1, in the factorial of 1, it will be written as 1. Okay, now 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now in the place of now this 2 will be going to store in this f of 2. Okay, now it will be going to store in this f of 2. So 3 into f of 2 is 2, so we'll be getting output as 6. Sorry, 6. Okay, now this 6 will going to store in this f of 3. Okay, now 4 into f of 3 is 6 is equal to, we'll be getting output as 624. Okay, now this 24 will be going to store in this f of 4. Okay, now 5 into f of 4 is 24. 24 into is 120. Yeah. So now this is how the code works. If we execute the output, let's see like what we get. Actually the output we got is 24. Is this matches to this output? Yes. Okay, this is how the recursion will works. Okay, yeah. So like if you guys still have any doubts in the recursion, please comment below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah. Thank you.